This is Frank having RV fun, and this is the new towed vehicle for the motorhome. However, it doesn't come with a backup camera. So what I wanted to do was have visibility backing up or driving, to have, when hooked up to the motorhome, have visibility. So what I did was went to Costco, got one of their wireless backup cameras, and to make it simple, I just hooked it up to the receiver here and plugged it into the trailer wiring. A very simple hookup to that. Made a little hitch mount that goes in that receiver to secure it in place. And then inside, I went ahead and installed that camera. Found the spot. I didn't want to locate it on the windshield at all. There's a limited amount of visibility as it is for that camera. And again, the camera backup function isn't part of this navigation. It's a super unit for the time, I imagine, but it doesn't have a backup camera, I guess, set up already. Perhaps it could be retrofitted, but again, I wanted to be able to have a wireless system that I could move to the motorhome and see what's going on. So this little unit here is the place that I decided to install it. It hooks up to the fuse panel just in the back of there, and that's the display. And it's full time, it's just not backup. So when the lights are turned on, you get a backup. And so I just go with the parking or the running lights. This has running lights anyway. And so there's the backup view. And when it's in gear, it provides a degree of visibility there that is equal to coming on the dash there. So, and it's wireless. It's the unit that Costco sells. And I take this. It comes with two jacks plug-in for power. One is a hardwired to the fuse block with a fuse, inline fuse as part of the connection, as well as there's a cigarette lighter or power 12-volt power plug that plugs in here, and that's installed in the motorhome. So
I want you to get up and walk like a duck.
me?
Yes.
I always walk like a duck. What are you talking about? Do the duck walk.
Hey, Mommy, let's do the duck walk.
Do the duck walk.